You just finished grading the Unit 1 test that your first period students took. It was the first big test of the term, and you're happy with the results. Your students really seem to understand the concepts, and you're excited to share the news. You'll give your students their graded tests back tomorrow. But if you record their scores in PowerTeacher Pro now, your students and their parents can see the scores right away in the PowerSchool student and parent portals and in the PowerSchool mobile app. To score an assignment in the gradebook, begin on the PowerTeacher Start page and click PowerTeacher Pro. Your first period class is already selected, and the assignments page is visible by default. You could scroll through the list of assignments to locate the Unit 1 test, but to find it quickly, filter the list of assignments. Click the arrow next to Filter. Then check Needs Scoring and click Apply. The list of assignments now shows only the assignments for which you haven't completed entering scores, including the Unit 1 test. The numbers in the scored column indicate that you have not scored any of the tests for the 25 students in your class. To start entering scores, click the assignment name. On the Unit 1 test page, the first column lists the name of the students in the class. Use the score column to enter the assignment score for each student. You aligned two standards to the assignment, so use the next two columns to record the standard scores. To enter the assignment score for the first student, click in the score cell next to his name. The score inspector opens to the right of the score cells. Refer to the summary information above the score cells to see which score type you selected when you created the assignment. The score type for this assignment is points, and the maximum number of points possible is 80. The first student earned 79 points on the assignment, so type that number in the score cell, or select 7 and 9 from the score inspector. To enter a comment for the selected student, click the Comments icon in the score inspector. Enter a comment in the Comments field. To enter the student's score on the first standard, in the score inspector, click the grid icon, and then click the right-facing score arrow. The standards grade scale you used is a 1 to 4 point scale. The student mastered the standard, so click 4. Move to the second standard and select 4 as well. The next student in the list did not complete the assignment, so click in his score cell and then choose the incomplete score indicator in the score inspector. Finish entering the assignment and standard scores for the rest of the students. Then save the scores by clicking Save. Remember, to score an assignment from the Assignments page, first locate the assignment. Select the assignment name. Click in a cell in the score column and enter the student's assignment score or a score indicator. If applicable, enter the student's standard scores in the remaining columns. Then click Save. You set up the Unit 1 test scores to be published immediately, so they are now visible to students and parents, which means they can share in your excitement about the first big test of the term.